Well, I wanted to get my own truck, so I got one. So I had little problems with my batteries here the past couple of days. Hard time starting everything. I got to go and hold a charge. So I opened my battery box, started checking the batteries, and found out a lot of the terminals were corroded. So I started cleaning out the terminals. Got them nice and shiny. And then when I got to this one right here, which I found this. That's a new one there. This goes crossover, and it was broke off at the end, just like that. So I'm here in Black River Falls at the Flying J, right behind the boss shop. So I went in there to see if they had one of those cables. So, no, we don't keep them in stock, but we can surely make you one. I said, all right, we'll make me one. So he made me one, and it cost $33. So I come back out here, took the old one off, put the new one back on, and that little wire, or that little crossover cable, $33 and some change. But it is a heck of a lot cheaper than calling somebody out here and towing me in, or jumping me off, or taking me to the shop and charging me an arm and a leg. So then we're gonna crank it up and check it out. Here's our gauge, and it's going up. It never went up that far before. Alright, that's good. So $33 later, we're ready to roll again. I guess I found a cheap way out. Welcome to owner operatorship. Thanks for watching.